Realme Buds Q, not Q, Q. So yeah, this is priced around 2000 rupees. This should be priced around 2000 rupees. I am recording this video before the event. So yeah, I really do like this earphones. I was really excited for the earphones and I do think these are pretty good. So yeah, let's find out on which one is better. Redmi Earbuds S, that is 1800 rupees, and Realme Buds Q, that should be around 2000 rupees, or I think Realme versus Xiaomi, similarly priced. Let's get started. So first of all, we'll talk about the build quality of the earphones, and both the earphones are very similarly built. The case, the earphones and the material used are very identical. The cheap plastic, because these are cheap earphones, cheap plastic, but still good quality of plastic. The weight of the Realme ones without the earphones, so without the earphones is 28.7 grams and the earphones is less than 4 grams, 3.7 grams, and with the earphones it is 36.3 grams. The Redmi ones, the case without the earphones is 26.5 grams, the earphones is 3.9 grams, but when you come to the total weight of the case with the earphones, it is 34.3 grams, which is lower than the total weight of this earphones. So the Realme ones have 400 mAh battery, this one has 300 mAh battery. The weight and the size of the earphones and the case and everything is pretty identical. So it is a very good job done by Realme on adding 100 grams in this. But there is one thing that Redmi has nailed, and that is LED lights. So Redmi has added LED lights on both the earphones, whereas Realme has added no lights inside the case, not even on the case. So it is possible that once in a blue moon the case is not charged, you have put the earphones to charge and there is no light or there is no indication that it is charging. You keep it for the night and you're done. When you wake up in the morning, it's completely discharged. But with these one, the LED notification light over here tells us that it is charging or not. So this is a pretty handy thing that Realme has missed out on. So I don't know if my volume has raised because I'm having both the earphones in my ear. So yeah, both the earphones fit very well in my ear. So this is Realme and it's a little bit circular, so it goes over here like this, and this is Redmi, so it goes in like this. And yeah, I cannot hear myself. So yep, both the earphones fit really well, but Realme ones fit a little bit better because of the curved design. So it is much better, much snug feel compared to Redmi. So now when we talk about the most important part of this video, and that is the sound quality. Sound quality on both these earphones are good, but there are a couple of differences. First of all, the size. So Realme ones comes with a 10mm driver, whereas the Redmi ones comes with a 7.2mm drivers. The driver difference that shows when you are talking about the bass and the loudness. So this is having a little bit better bass and loudness compared to Redmi. But this Redmi earphones comes with a little bit better vocals and instrument separation are much better on Redmi, but the bass and overall pumpiness of the music comes better on the Realme. So it's up to you. I will choose Realme because of a little bit better bass quality and a little bit better oomph to the audio. By the way, Realme also supports AAC audio codec, whereas the Redmi does not support any of those. So that could be also a good difference. Coming to the customization, the presses on the Redmi cannot be customized at all. So single press for play pause or picking up the call, or long press for rejecting the call, and double press for Google Assistant or any other assistant. No customizations at all. But Realme comes with a lot of customization because of the Realme Link app. So with the help of Realme Link app, you can customize almost everything of these earphones. So double tap, triple tap and long press can be customized. But there is one thing that cannot be customized or cannot be added, that is volume up or down. So volume up or down is not supported on any of these two earphones. With the customization as well, there is no option of increasing the volume or decreasing the volume with the taps. I would have really liked if one earphone's long press can be customized or programmed to volume up and the other ones can be programmed to volume down. But there is no such option. So I tested out the call quality on both these earphones and the caller on the other side said there is no difference at all. audio quality is average on both, but there's no difference. So no matter what you choose, if you're choosing it for a lot of calls, I would recommend anything else. So overall verdict, I'll give it to Realme because of the customization and a little bit better sound quality. Sound quality, there is not a lot of difference, but there is enough for me to give it to this. But the problem here is that there is no indicator of charging or not. But okay, the video is almost done. So yeah, but over here we do have the indication that this is charging. So this one has this good feature, but for audio quality and for my daily usage, I will select Realme. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this video. This was the comparison between the Realme versus the Redmi on best truly wireless earphones under 2000 rupees. And I think Realme took it, but Redmi is close second. So if you think I missed out on anything, let me know in the comments below. If you have any queries that I have not answered, let me know in the comments below. We'll get talking, and till then I think I'm done. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, see ya. Thank you very much guys.